going? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. It's time to do another ride along. I'm actually a fan of the MX-5 Miatas, but this is the current generation. You already know the history of Miatas, but you know what? Come on, man. We got to get it going, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, I'm going to introduce you to my buddy Eli. This is his personal car. What got you into liking Mazda, especially the MX-5 Miata?
My grandma has an NB2 Miata, and I just kept driving it, so I ended up buying an NB1 Miata, and then got the NB2 2023.
Right out the back, you really enjoyed this car.
Yeah.
And here you go, you got your Michelin hat on and stuff, but that's beside the point. The point is, you bought it to, well, you like Miatas in general because you just like the way they handle them. They just fun, awesome sports cars, especially for the price that they're at. They are very affordable and attainable. Hey, I don't blame you, shoot. I used to autocross Miatas myself, and I tell you what, these are some fun cars. Dude, that's one of the cleanest engine bays on a new car I ever seen. Look how simple and clean it is. Like, I don't think it gets any better than that. Just, even though this is a small compact car and all that, a roadster, but you gotta admit, who else is doing it like that? Because me and you can agree, they put all these dang covers on there and stuff, just all that extra stuff. You don't need all that. Like the simplicity of this engine bay, it's like, come on, man. It's pretty much like a high compression engine and all that.
13 to 1.
That's ridiculous how high compression this engine really is. And then of course you gotta run premium gas like 93 and up. It's crazy.
I just never looked at them.
Well, they pretty much put these dams on there for, you know, not just for air, but for like cooling. For example, prior to like the brakes and stuff. If you like tracking the car.
They probably are for the brakes because these are cool. The front brakes are cool.
You know what? I think it's time to go for a ride. Gas mileage.
Yeah, the gas, that's the average right now. That's after we were driving like pretty quick the other day. It dropped like 3, but yeah, it was at 37 mpg. I get right now it's at, well, we're going downhill, so it's not really a good way to tell, but it's usually like at 40 to 45 mpg going like 60.
The way it is for like the value price, I mean, you can't get no better than that, especially with that type of fuel economy. I mean, you gotta stop and think, it's a 2-door roadster and it's with a 4-cylinder in the manual. I mean, you got a small fuel tank. No, plus this is a lightweight car, so that's a no-brainer. Eli, man, I appreciate you giving me a ride in your MX-5 Miata today. Like I said back there at the meeting spot, hey, by the lake, this is, again, you already know, this is a fun car. Really where these cars shine is the corners. They might not be so quick in a straight line, bone stock, but this is the corner and just the enjoyment of driving really where the car shines at, and that's what I like about it. I just wish I wasn't so big, I could fit in it better, but hey, I make it work. Very affordable, and they easy to fling around the corner because how light they were. I mean, I see why people use these MX-5 Miatas as great autocross cars. And right now you're hitting the corner. Like you hit that like what speed?
30. I was going slow though.
But you know you can go faster. Right. Man, Eli, I do appreciate you giving me a ride in your car. That was fun. You went around the twisty bits and all that. Just mellow cruising. A little cloudy out here today, but hey, we'll take it. At least it's not raining. But definitely enjoy that drive, man. That was okay. You already know, like I said earlier, you already know these Miatas are fun. They're great handling cars, and anybody wants to own one, you can. But that's pretty much it. All right, everybody, I'm out. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo.